So we tried to go to the pool.
Thirsty?
That failed. We pulled up
No,
and it
thanks.
began to pour. So we're like, we're just gonna drive around. We're gonna go visit some places. So we went to Sandestin, Baytown Wharf, and we actually got out parked. We had our little beach hats to kind of protect us from the rain.
Our last day here,
that didn't work.
A lot of
we
plans.
Spent about 30 minutes
outdoor stuff. We even tried it.
Shop and spent about $100.
And yeah, it was a little
just spending
much
money.
Rain.
So we tried to walk around and figure out, it was starting to rain a little bit more heavier. We just needed to go back to the Airbnb.
Outside. It would be like a true favor if the sun would just start shining, the rain would go away, because the day is still early, just why.